The EPICURE project is user-driven, research-focused, but not on our own research, but on the research of our users.
EPICURE is a project that demystifies the complexity of high-performance computing, making it accessible to everyone and helping to scale its application in several fields.
So, I aim to any EuroHPC user to take a look of EPICURE website and see what we can do for you, and take into account that we are here to help you to make your life easier and to make a better use of your EuroHPC resources.
We applied to EPICURE because our code needed optimization and we were not having the resources to do so within the project. So it was a great opportunity to have access to qualified team of HPC experts and boost our core performance. But thanks to the EPICURE project, we could do way more science in the same amount of time.
So we are running a complex marine model which needs a lot of resource. And that's why I replied to the EPICURE call, because they were offering to help optimize HPC usage. EPICURE suggested a few simple changes in our setup, increasing performance by 10%. It means that we can do more experiments and better understand how ecosystem work. They also identified some bottlenecks in the code, which is useful for future development.
Thanks to the support of the EPICURE team, we achieved substantial performance improvement. They successfully identified the bottlenecks and obtained 20 times and 6 times speedups on the two most critical Python routines. This optimization was crucial for our research.
We are an in silico life sciences lab working on chromatin in health and disease.
We use large-scale atomistic molecular dynamics simulations of biological systems. With the EPICURE support, we learn how to use our computing resources most efficiently in single-node and multi-node settings. I'm grateful for EPICURE support because I learned so much about my own software.
I strongly recommend EPICURE support because they showed me how to use my software most efficiently. I was pleasantly surprised by their professionalism, competency, and politeness. For my research and academic progress, EPICURE and Marinestorm 5 have been a game changer. Thank you.